Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Let me ask you, are you in check systems? Is it hard for you to actually get out of check system? And is it hard for you to find a bank that will accept you because you're in check system? Now let me ask you this. Do you have bad credit? And if you have bad credit, is it hard for you to get a loan? You may need a loan to pay some past due bills. You may need a loan because you have a broken down car. You may need a loan because you just started a new job but you're bad credit and you need to keep on paying the bills and putting food on the table. All right. Now, let me ask you one more question. All right. What if there was an institution that was willing to pay you for referring other people to them? Well, if that's something that's interesting to you, well, let me tell you about OneUnited. Now, here's the thing about it. When you talked about the check systems, OneUnited, they are more forgiving. They have second chance, okay? They have second chance checking. So if you are in check systems and you can't go to your major banks and get a checking account and stuff, OneUnited is there to help you with their second chance check systems, checking accounts. Now, here's the thing about it. Many of us know that, hey, it's very hard for us to get a loan if we don't have an active bank account, okay? It's very hard for us to get an apartment, to get a car, to get a job when we don't have an active bank account, okay? These are things that are against us, all right? Now, another thing we are very aware of that many of us that have bad credit, again, it's hard to get a loan. So we fall further and further in debt. We're falling further and further behind on our bills. That's what's happening. So with OneUnited, they're at least trying to close that gap somewhere to help people that are in check systems and have bad credit. Now, here's the interesting thing about it is they offer a loan, okay? Now, with this loan, you do have to be a member with them for, I think, 90 days, all right? So with this here loan, it's called the quick cash loan. It loans up to, it's like an emergency loan, but it's called the cash please, right? And in order to get this loan, you have to be with them for at least 90 days or so with deposits, all right? But the good part about this, these here loans that they actually offer, the interest rates are lower than a payday loan, all right? And because they're lower than a payday loan, you're not paying all this 300% interest type of thing, right? So that's the great part about what OneUnited is offering. They're offering this here loan. Now wait, it's going to get better because I definitely want to show you all this, all right? So it says set up direct deposit with 2 days early pay. So when you open up your checking account, you actually, and you work at a job, you get your paycheck 2 days early, okay? They must have reoccurring deposits as well. Now, for those of you that are in the gig economy, right? So you're in the gig economy and you don't have a checking account, this is one of the places you may want to go. Because once you open up that checking account, there are other lenders. If you're in the gig economy and you just working at and not a W-2, there are other lenders that will actually give you loans. And I'm talking about lenders like Giggle Finance. If you're in the gig economy, Giggle Finance will give you up to $5,000 with no credit check, long as you can show proof of 90 days of deposits into a checking account. And so with a lot of people, they may run into this problem because they don't have a checking account, right? So they can't actually show those deposits. But as you can see here, no credit checks, right? So there's no credit requirements in terms of this. And it's an instant cash available loan. So you can see where OneUnited can actually help you out with giving you that second chance checking account. Also, another lender is Fundo. With Fundo, again, no credit check, and they offer up to $10,000. But you have to have a checking account. And here's the thing with Fundo that you all may not understand is that they're going to look at your deposits. So if you working for the gig economy and stuff like that, they're going to want you to hook your account up to Plaid. And then by you hooking it up to Plaid or Decision Logic, where they can actually tell if you have deposits for at least 90 days and the minimum revenue you have coming into your account is at least $1,500, they can give you a loan with no credit check. Okay, now please keep in mind with these type of lenders, it is a merchant cash advance, but now you're able to start getting access to money, all right, without having good credit. All right, now here's another thing about OneUnited. They help you build your credit, help you rebuild your credit with a secured card. So where I just showed you how you can open up this second chance checking account, you can get a loan through Giggle Finance or Fundo, and you can take that money and you can apply it towards your secured card so you can get a larger line, so that trade line is actually reporting on your personal credit to build it up. So that's an option for you as well. So a lot of people think that, oh, I can't get out of chexsystems, I can't find a checking account, I can't get access to money. I'm showing you the game, people. This is the game. And again, like I said, with OneUnited, they're giving you that second chance checking account. Now, here's another thing that I want you all to understand. When you refer people, friends and family to them, look what they said. You earn cash rewards. Now, please understand, I'm not even an affiliate of this bank, and I'm telling you guys about it. So once you join with your second chance checking account, if you have other friends that are in checking system and can't get a checking account, now you're able to actually refer them to a bank that will help them, and you can get cash rewards or receive gifts and prizes just for being an active customer. This is in their writing. I am not making this up. This is their information. That's what I'm saying. In terms of, if you are a pro-black person and you want to support a black bank, now you have a bank that you can actually support. All right. Now, here's another thing. They offer business loans. Now, many of you guys know with me, I always tell you when it comes to business loan, because it's so much red tape, it makes it very challenging, right? However, the good thing about OneUnited, they work with Lendistry, okay? Now, Lendistry is black owned as well. Now, they help the minority owned businesses get funding. So, usually a minimum credit score of 640 or higher, all right? In terms of, they usually want you to be in business for 3 years. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at it. So, here's the requirements. 3 years of business taxes, bank verified bank statements, okay, your ID, then all your business license and things of that nature, right? However, now this is the key. They do not only just issue these type of loans here, but they offer startup financing, small business loans, non-revolving lines of credit. Now, again, like I said, don't think that these are the only type of loans that they actually offer. And like I said, with OneUnited, they're the ones you can go through, and they can help you find a loan for your small business. Now, for those of you that may have questions about business credit, personal credit funding, removing negative items off of the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.